Hi guys, what's good again? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lily, and well, like I said, as promised, here to deliver the makeup tutorial. But I decided, instead of jumping right into makeup, I should take it step by step. So firstly, today I'm gonna be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. As you can see, my eyebrows are really jungly, really bushy. I don't like tweezing my eyebrows. Let me be honest, I never tweeze, but I still managed to get that razor sharp look that everyone gets. How do you do it? I'm about to show you in this video. So stay connected and what do you do? Oh yeah, you comment, you share, you like, and you subscribe to my channel. Let's do this thing.
Hit me one time, hit me two times, hit me three times. Lego. Lego.
Alright, so first things first, with my eyebrows, like I said, they're really thick, they're really jungly. I don't tweeze much because what if I don't want to wear makeup that day? Now I'm stuck with this on flick thing and I'm just like you know, so you don't want that for yourself, and you really want to make better decisions. Oh my gosh, my hair is horrible. There are no hair salons, it's been I need to start learning how to do my hair. I really do, but it's fine. I called it, and I don't know, this is what I got, so I don't know how I'm feeling, but so let's get into the eyebrow tutorial. I don't want to waste anyone's time. First things first, I don't have anything on my face right now, because if you do your eyebrows and you have a lot of oil, they might not set properly. So I have my cuticle. I use this product. It's really nice. I use it as a toner. I use this to tone my skin, and it's almost finished. Oh my god, I need cosmetics. So I use this because it mattifies my skin. At the same time, it also brings it moisture, but I use it firstly, and I use my hands to put it on, so even over my eyebrows, fine. As you can see, I already have my edges done, guys. So even when I do want to do my makeup, I make sure that I do my edges first, because if you do your makeup and then you do your edges, no, try it, you'll see. You're gonna look like a cake, not in a good way, in a bad way, with a bad frosting on top, a really, really bad cake. So don't do it. Just do your edges first. And if you want to know how to do these gorgeous, I must say, they're really super dope edges, if you want to know how to do them, I'm gonna link a video right here right now. As you can see it, please do check out that video so that you can know how to look like this. You see, I am without makeup, without any face cream, and I look bomb because edges on fleek, honey. So edges will and can and have the ability to change your life. Maybe that's a bit too deep, but yeah, you get me. So this is how I do my eyebrows. I use soap. You can use any bar of soap that you use that works well with your skin, that your skin is really great with. This is a Dove Beauty bar of soap. I use Dove because it's really gentle on my skin and stuff, but if you don't, I would recommend Sunlight Green Bar. It would work best too, because it doesn't irritate most people's skins, and most people's skins really work well with that product. So you just smudge it like this. You make sure that it's nice and wet, and you just put it over your eyebrows like that. What this does is that it makes the soap act like a glue. I'm gonna brush them up like that, so they really set nicely, and you can shape them however you want and also doodle on top of them. So now I'm just gonna dry it up. Just make sure that it dries before you start drawing on top of it, because you don't want to look like it's gonna smudge, honey. I'm gonna use my pencil. Oh my god, I'm so fast. I am so fast, but I'm trying to keep up. All right, cool. I'm gonna draw, and I'm gonna start inside, going outside, making sure that I am as gentle and as light as possible, because I don't want to just put on a lot of that product there, a lot of that pencil, because it's gonna make you look weird. Trust me, you don't go overboard. I know they say more is good. What's the saying? There's a saying about more, man. The more the merrier. No, I don't think it works for such things, but you get what I'm saying. So don't do it, okay? Do not do it. So I'm just gonna draw on the other side as well, and take an old mascara brush. Make sure I brush that up. The purpose of this is to make sure that you blend out the pencil that you drew on with as well, and to also make sure that you achieve that shape, make sure that your eyebrows are still there, you know. So I have my gel liner and definer, and I'm gonna use the shade black. I have no idea why I'm doing that. No, I know it's too dark, but I was just feeling, you know, a bit, you know, yeah, man, black. So I went for black. There's chocolate and bond, but I had to go for black because, you know, why not? So I'm just gonna blend it out, brush it into my eyebrows, and just make sure that I pack it in there. You don't want to go overboard because you're still dealing with the pencil that you used. You also blending it out as you're doing this. You're not only just putting in the gel. If you have a powder, you can use your powder instead, or you can go in with your pencil. Really doesn't matter. I usually use my my foundation stick. It's in nutmeg. That's what I'm gonna use to conceal around my eyebrows, because when you use concealer first, it becomes hard to blend in, and then you end up having that halo thing, and I hate it. I don't want it, you know. So no, you don't want that halo effect, and you really want them to look as natural as possible. So what better way than to use your foundation, because it's your color, and mine is nutmeg, so make sure that your foundation is also in your color. So I'm going to use it as a darker shade to contour the top of my eyebrows. And I also have this contour palette that has concealer shades, and I'm going to take my lighter and darker shades, that is my light and medium actually, and then I'm gonna go into my eyebrows with it and just paint around like that, just play around with it. I don't want to go in too heavy with it, but I just really want to find that perfect balance. That's why I mix the two shades. I have my contour stick here. It's in the color fudge. Fudge is really closer to my skin tone, and I use it to make sure that anything that is left of that concealer that can be detected is gone. So I really use it to fade out the concealer and also fade out my my foundation, but also still making sure that I have the perfect color. The concealer is there, it's visible. I'm gonna take my flat brush and I'm gonna blend it out. I'm blending, man. Oh my god, I am looking good. I am feeling this eyebrows. All right, cool. I'm gonna blend that out. Just make sure that you kill that whiteness. You don't want to look like no, you don't want the halo around your eyebrows. You want them to look natural, you know. So I'm blending them out, and I'm just trying to blend it in with my skin tone, and as you can see, it really is like blending in with my skin tone, and I'm looking good. I have this brush right here. It's very strong, it's very flat. That's what I'm gonna use to blend out like what is remaining of the concealer brush, because I can't be blending out with the concealer brush because already it is dented with all that concealer. So you're just gonna keep smudging it around. So I just wanna clean that up. See how perfectly it just like fades away and just blends in with my skin, but at the same time my eyebrows are still on flick and they look hella natural. Make sure you blend out that in between line in between your guys. Please stop the unibrow. Stop the unibrow. The unibrow is a no-no. Okay, cool. I'm looking good. Yep, you see those are eyebrows, honey. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna brush them up one last time just to make sure that any concealer that might have gotten on them is faded out. That's an eyebrow, honey. So here you have it. Here are my eyebrows. They're nicely done, and they were all done without tweezing, and as you can see, they look skinnier now. I achieved that without tweezing my eyebrows. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning into this tutorial, and I hope that it is going to help you and you're going to use it for all the girls who don't like tweezing their eyebrows like before drawing on them. And sometimes you really do want to draw them, but then they become too huge and too fat because your natural ones are just as jungly as mine. So I don't have any foundation on right now. Put on my cream here backstage, behind the camera, behind the scenes when I was doing my eyes. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did like this video, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you do subscribe, and you do watch out for my next video where I'll be doing my cat eyes. We'll make them more foxy next time because we'll be doing a tutorial specifically on that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you stay safe, and make sure that you're staying at home, you stay safe, you quarantine with me on Becoming Miss. Queen is out.